Welcome to another episode of DeLoreanTECH, and today we're here with Mr. Chris Miles, and he's going to demonstrate how to change the front brakes in a DeLorean.
Hey guys, we're going to start by taking off the little cotter pins that hold the brake pins together. Break it free here. So that, we'll take a little sandpaper, maybe clean that up a little bit, get the dust off. Sometimes you're going to notice that the pins are kind of facing the wrong direction. So it may take a bit to get this out.
There we go.
There we got it. Just come off easy. Then I found that using two screwdrivers, kind of rocking back and forth, will free the pad. Just have to be patient. Your pads have probably been on for quite a while. Watch out for your knuckles. At some point, you might be able to push the pad back a little bit, and it might loosen up the piston. Just gotta wiggle them out. Almost out. There it comes. Pad's worn about halfway. We're going to be putting in some ceramic pads, so hopefully we'll eliminate some of the dust. That worked a lot easier here. Alright, so those are the old pads. Alright. If you see here, there's no way to get the new pad in without first compressing the caliper piston. So we're just going to take these channel lock pliers and squeeze the piston back in. Then we'll do the same on this side. This piston's out quite a bit. I'm putting the pins this way so that we can put the cotter pin so it's easier to get out next time. I recommend doing that. Now this car happens to have these little spring clips. You might not have these on your car, so I'm just fitting these back the way they were. Little screwdriver and bend it down a little bit, and then it should seat. To go back and do this one. Right, and then yeah. Should be easy to remove later. There you go.
Cool. Tires back on, we're good to go.
Mm-hmm. Then go for a test drive.
Cool. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.